Good morning, winners. This is Sasha Fearless, here to let you know that you are beautiful and good enough to accomplish anything that you want in life. In today's video, I will be doing a lock retwist on Dreadlocks that is 10 months old. So you guys, this is Thaddeus, right? You see how long his locks are? His locks are basically past his eyes right now. About 10 months ago, I started his locks on this very channel. I'll show you that in a few moments. I just wanted you to see the before and after for the retwist. So basically, this is the length of his hair right now. Now, mind you, on the left, this is what it looks like after a month of not getting a retwist. So it's not as refreshed, but it is still fairly long compared to how it was when he first started. And this next up right here is what retwisting his hair is like today compared to how it was when he first started his locks. Isn't the transformation amazing? The growth is real. Locks can grow your hair. Now that that's all said and done, let's get into the actual video. So Thaddeus hasn't had a retwist in about a month, and right now what I'm doing is I'm lifting flakes off his scalp. I'm lifting off dandruff or anything that doesn't belong on his scalp. So after not washing your hair for about a month, this is likely to happen. If you have locks, it happens. If you have braids, it happens. It's normal. I'm just lifting it off so that when I wash his hair, his scalp will be nice, healthy, and clean. Also, after I lift these flakes off his scalp, I'm going to give him a hot oil treatment for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'll give him a wash and retwist. I know that this looks abrasive, but I promise you it's really not. It's just because the video is sped up, that's why. Also, the reason why I'm doing the hot oil treatment is to add shine and luster to his hair and to also bring it back to life, because right now his hair is looking dull and we don't want that, do we? So you guys, his hair have already been washed and he has already gotten the hot oil treatment. Now the difference in his hair is drastic. You can see that his scalp no longer has the flakes on it. It is very healthy looking and his locks basically look like they're back to life. Before I start twisting his hair, I'm going to use the Cantu leave-in spray. Now, I do not like using regular conditioner on locks because I feel as if it's too heavy. So I just use the leave-in spray and that basically does the trick for me. To do my retwist, I am using Ashtay Heavenly Pomade and also I'm using honey. You heard that right, honey. I'm using honey. So the Ashtay Heavenly Pomade adds shine and the honey is very viscous, so it allows the locks to stay in place for a very long time. My friends wonder where I've been, in search to find love within. I came back to let you know, gotta think for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me, 'cause I'm in the days of your love, you see. I came back to let you know, gotta think for you, and I can't let go. So after I twist his hair and everything, I'm gonna put some edge control on his edges, put some edge paper on his edges, you know, just to take care of any flyaways and whatnot, just to keep his edges laid. Then I'm gonna put him under a hooded dryer for about 30 minutes to an hour, basically until his hair completely dries.